Ochredako on my the roadmap and the chronicle of events. It be we Monday no it be we bibia. I feel the call the very defamation in some year count 1 defamation, count 2 defamation near Hong Kong. Nafi also lawyer MI education papa. Yanko United States near ne lawyer Eric Ochredako and share and come as a lawyer. Memoir General Pumiti saying America also to saying.
Also Kwaku.
Great.
America so Bibia a boko.
Good one.
Good one. Yes, in Quim.
Good.
And yet better with the new Trump administration and so
wonderful. Ebe yama na good. Lawyer, yen say brekra no bibia Monday you drew and say na fina ube walking through the defamation and kasa ekopie mu America where started from count 1, count 2 no na sefo. Into hona na ye drew into take it out from here.
Yo. Kwaku ni watie for America on Monday you can announce complaint or they to Essex County Superior Court of New Jersey. Na yeshemwa ebo kodu count 35. Paragraph 35.
Great.
Anas at the buyer.
Good.
Now, let's share the big academy and sign ya for count no more.
Wonderful.
Specific allegations are all kind of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and the criminal.
Good.
The other time, Mubasha throughout this complaint now, the second defendant, Frederick Samoa, host of the show, no. You introduce you, no. The time be to a bit far, no. You never be a bar, the game. And that's basically a Fred Samoa is in change.
Correct. Na me ye be bisa sa asem no. Se ono no yantene ho asem o baby a o as of Monday BCC ye ka say. Yeah.
Yes. Na eto to aso kwa ye call prior no. In fact, Fred Samoa enter appearance.
Wow.
Just say when you name e court, when challenge be bia court. And so Anas I can say ono de e je Fred Samoa na ogo after name of a Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and go after. And on to say a tier for a bit here, say a idea a year defamation anti and not filed lawsuit. And that issue where a come up doing trial say, who cares so much about your reputation? Not only for now, that's any idea. I will produce a document, and then a website or so. And then I be seen there, want to info and country court to say, yes, only for national say, only send you one,
in through system, no so.
Ne status. And no,
wow,
memo, only Honorable Kennedy Agyapong quite a pair and a twasso. Yamaya don't like you do prior no swa. You better send your uncle on so a coy.
Good.
A tier for Ebema Yakoshe paragraph number 38.
Good.
A hot one I said, and someone Honorable Kennedy Agyapong a kind, yes, I will show no swa. And now you want to go good home, you know.
I see.
Kwaku.
Yes, sir.
So, over paragraph 38, in fact, put to also to paragraph 39. So, a bit to me, that's my project here.
Yes, you project it.
Monfa, yes.
Great, you project it.
Paragraph 39 and 40.
Good. Paragraph, main starting free 38 grammar way. And for me, draw. Anna. Great. Paragraph 38 or say, plaintiff repeats and realleges each and every prior allegation of this complaint as if set forth in detail herein. 39 or say during the ayo. That's right. Good.
No one in our society repeating
I see.
It makes much difference.
Good one. Paragraph 39. Or see, during the interview referenced in paragraph 34, 35, 36, and 37, the first defendant stated at minutes 33:44 that plaintiff is a criminal. 40, or see, by criminal, the first defendant meant it to be understood by right-thinking members of society that plaintiff has been convicted of a crime in the Republic of Ghana. Hey!
Now, call number 41.
41, or say, the statement in paragraph 39 is false.
Okay. And you know, count one of the exclamation, and it's Honorable Kennedy Agyapong in the presentation, you know, every case that comment, yeah, a statement, yeah, and that's every day, I mean, a try the complaint no more. Say, on minute 33.44 seconds. So 33 minutes, 44 seconds of the interview, no? Okay, sa same way, now, so same way for Obi Juan, let's say, Obi or basic answer, no? Everyone said, only a corner, you had enough of court, our Ghana, and you are convicted of a crime.
Exactly.
And I say, young for court, and convicted, no. I said, now, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, no, and yet, and no crack. And see, I don't know yet, the first defamation, or can say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, I defame no.
I see.
May repeat those words because I don't want to repeat the same statement, but this is what is contained in the complaint. I'm only reading from the complaint now, okay, you know, without offering any opinion on that particular complaint or the statement.
I see.
Count to two. And also, no, lawyer for language, no, don't waste your time reading it.
Good.
And we'll go paragraph 43.
43.
Okay, at the page, at the minute, also, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong somewhere, according to our national, a good thing.
Good.
So I could be reading it here.
Good. Ozzy, on 7 September 2021, during the interview referenced in paragraph 34, 35, 36, 37, and 39 herein, the first defendant stated at minutes 35, 31 seconds to minutes 35 to 36 seconds that plaintiff is behind the murder of Ahmed Swali.
Yo, I don't see a statement when you know. In fact, unless any team, I translate here from 3.5 tree to English. Namia Duma, Emrepemono, the transcript of that interview way, any minute way out. That's one post about available, program so now bring Emma Hokwanya. We can also look at it. And so that is the second one. And that's actually more 44 near that statement way actually. If I read this paragraph 44 on it here.
Good. Paragraph 44 says the statement in paragraph 43 was intended to be understood by right-thinking members of society that plaintiff is a primary actor or a co-conspirator to the crime of murder as defined by the laws of the Republic of Ghana. What is 45? They come out. So the statement in paragraph 43 is false.
Yo. And Nani Anna, on this particular count, you know, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, I can be found home about Ahmed Swali.
Yeah.
Now, your car, you know, so we are going near what dream would have found. Sana obesu to say, Oka Atonoso. And don't see, and or say, what different no. Factor Yantuaso.
Good.
Count 3.
Count 3. Good. Count 3, you know, on 47, I'll say on September, on 7 September 2021, during the interview, referenced in paragraph 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, and 43 of this complaint, the first defendant at minutes 35, 56 to 36, 27 minutes stated that plaintiff is responsible for the death of multiple Chinese nationals in the Republic of Ghana and that he has videos to that effect.
Now to Asuko 48, or Chemo, Nietia, that statement now, or say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Pasaa, a good hoofy.
Good.
About your kind 48.
48. Good. 48, no say. The statement in paragraph 47 was intended to be understood by right-thinking members of the society that plaintiff is a primary actor or a conspirator in multiple murders as defined by the laws of the Republic of Ghana. 49, the statement in paragraph 47 is false.
Wow. That statement now, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Pasaa, we Ghana near what dream with the whole fire, Obedient said, or you're responsible for the beer, a tear Ghana Embra. That's terminal, and yet and a crack. And she not to say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong a good movie.
I see.
So count 4, and also share at the corner, paragraph 51, at the corner, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Pasaa, and also so, and that's complaining about the patrol canyon.
So 51, or say on 7 September 2021, during the interview, reference in paragraph 34, 36, 37, 39, 43, and 47 of this complaint, the first defendant stated of minutes 37:00 minutes to 37:07 minutes that plaintiff is a thief as defined by the laws of the Republic of Ghana. 52, or say the statement in paragraph 51 is false.
Yo, it's not and also and that's so Emma a chief for at say sir now basically no and it's a Honorable Kennedy Agyapong statement of Kaya a fan no and also going to fit. Now you got the last one.
Good.
Now so I count 5.
Good.
Now you're ready also all count.
Good. Count 5 no or say on 7 September 2021 during the interview referenced in paragraph 34, 36, 37, 39, 43 and 47 herein the first defendant at minutes 35 56 seconds to 36:27 seconds stated that he, the first defendant, has proven in a court of law that the plaintiff has indeed murdered multiple Chinese nationals. Otuasua 54 said the statement in paragraph 53 was intended to be understood by right-thinking members of society that plaintiff is a primary actor or a co-conspirator in the multiple murders as defined by the laws of the Republic of Ghana. 55, or say the statement in paragraph 53 is false.
Yo. Now, in Enyama, and some Maku enum, and Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a Kaya interview no more, and that who said a good thing.
Yeah.
A cheerful, who said, questions are, post, you know, it be sir, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a man answer, no, say no. I know the Yanka wants them.
I see.
I have a transcript, no, but Yamia Duma, our next program, no.
Yeah.
Let's share transcript, no. In fact, in one of the questions, you know, to know, Ekachira said, and Crawford, including Anat, and say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and him, Ahmed Suale, won't be. If he said, or did he photo buy, and asɛm no ɛto Ahmed ɛdɛn na wɔkafa ho na sɛ basa wotie transcript no any questions a host no ebisa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong a sɛbe sɛ ɛyɛ wo Kwaku ɛne me a ububefu na one answer because in that transcript no the host was trying to say I'm not accused Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say onimo wo no ho bi na so bia so who defend o ho na no say twasema to so a o fa esre keke and e be defend o maybe most of the time who dey before e be to me e defend o ho and to say a therefore if you listen statement be o ho no kai a na eye extreme a mo tie full transcript na mo beti asie kwan bi so ne eye ya e ma Honorable Kennedy Agyapong dey before answer questions no and so be
I see.
Now in addition to that, you know, and that's complaint which I said in some year in some makumaku in Numa, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong kafa no hono. And yet so okanatra kwa or the dream bonnet in law no your friend actual malice. I see anyway. And a can no ho. So actual malice basically I think I said adia unim say nya no kure wakasa ugidi say ya uken eye kontompo so esan say no kure no amfa wo ho now what pure disregard to the truth no and I'll make it that statement way and say otu asoko the complaint no ma or say in someone Honorable Kennedy Agyapong kai ni nyina no na enye enokure but etan say why na green say enokure erfa no ho no eno nti na okeka sa ensem no against ono anaso now uko paragraph 58 montie ni oka ho
good enti menka 58 no say at the time all 5 defamatory statements were altered. The first defendant was aware of the falsity of his utterance because he had previously been cross-examined and admitted to those falsity that statements referenced in paragraph 43, 47, 53 while testifying under oath. Asemini.
Engineer, and I think at the time where Honorable Kennedy Agyapong by interview no. Na when him say when numina okano enya no correct. Say mra or testify. Ewo case na ze court Ghana no. Odi to mu say enya no correct. Me kuta that transcript no of the cross examination wa Ghana. Ana ye die ho. Na so no ye nim ne say at the end of the day no there was a judgment from Justice Bar on that particular case. You know, you never could read it eventually near Justice Bar and Kaya. Near would say statements now, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Kaya no. If when you're here now, Justice Bar, a court, a ruling, yes, sir, and yet defamation. And when you're here, and a defamation. And only there, you can't Justice Bar decision from Ghana. Any bit me answer that question.
Exactly.
Matuama etiefo no.
Exactly.
Now, otu asoko paragraph 59 and term the political nature of this case. In fact, this case was a political fight.
Really?
It was a political fight. And that's a long chair. Now, so paragraph 59. Confirm the fact that it was a political fight. The factual reading, paragraph 59. Now, my NPP for any amanyofu na NTS our paragraph 59.
Good. 59 or say prior to the time, all 5 defamatory statements were made. The first defendant is on record to have admitted that he was commissioned by his political party to launch a false and ad hominem attack on the plaintiff to discredit plaintiff and to soften the impact of the content of betraying the game. Really?
Anthony Annan, that's what Chen said. Yes. Now that's what Chen said.
I see.
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Yeah, Bonapa.
NPP, Amayoko, Bonapa said, or non Kasama NPP. Na video na, Anna, and the buyer. On attack Anna, send a buyer, effect, video no benyano, Kenya. Mr. Mo, the whole kinds of statements where is it not political?
PP as a party.
Yes.
That is serious.
Yes. Yes. In fact, the Otuasu call paragraph 51 and also actually the political nature of this case. But you read the paragraph 61 and so come.
61, okay. See, the second defendant is a pro-NPP platform, which is engaged in a pattern of conduct that can only be reasonably described as the use of its platform in the conduct of a public relations for the NPP-led GOG in the U.S. Government of Ghana, sure, GOG in the U.S., which is also used by the first defendant to damage his reputation in the eyes of citizens of the Republic of Ghana, residents in the U.S. Oh my God.
It's not kind of say that the Freddy show, no? Or no, and as I say, a NPP
by extension.
By extension. Now, the role of that the Freddy show in administration, no, is to propagate ideas in support of NPP-led government of Ghana. And not go after them.
This is serious. Wow.
Yes.
Hey.
Now,
Lawyer Darko. Assembly quite disturbing power because honestly, until we have no idea that these were enormous specific complaints of damages or filing with U.S. court on them any other. And then again, it begs the question: is the U.S. court, also say no? Quickly, let's do reference to the case which already adjudicated by the justice system here in Ghana, a judge led by. One of the court judge led by Justice Ban, a rule was our cases where under referencing Anasi or the area court on U.S. court into Omonshi Bibi Kakra. Bibi sa koso.
Kwaku, the genesis of this case anyway.
Okay.
Yes,
I see.
Now, with time, no, make sure here because to answer your question.
Yeah.
Honorable Canadian team, if filing emotions there, Assembly doesn't belong in New Jersey court because you can't have no Ghana. And the case was even pending whilst Assembly was filed in the United States. Now, the American said, a bit more exposed to the media and how the media works. More than the Bino. Honorable Canadian Japan, one of the people even though our media station, and not there or now daily, use the media to his advantage. It's never be because now you're aware of.
Yeah.
So the capture said, case we need to say up to trial for an amebua. Because we need to say here a foolish case.
I see.
But a matter, the church has seen the area,
I see.
Now we are still talking about the fact that this case was also about money. Rather than saying, say, Honorable Canadian Japan at the same moment, and you know, Montclair meeting. It was one, a political fight.
Sure.
And it was two, about money, damages. And you see, if was so, near damages part, you know.
That's right.
Now, who do damages part now? And I ask, I say, and that's a Cansania, a seminar, honorable Canadian Japan, a cafano hono, our affecting and Yanka damage, a mano. The patrol, yes, paragraph 63.
Great. Ozzy, the plaintiff has been traumatized by the actions complained of in this complaint and has suffered severe emotional distress because he has had to file mortifying questions from former clients, agents, business associates, and family members who reside all over the world, including the city of West Orange in the state of New Jersey. Naso?
Yo. I think it's a some way, yeah. Honorable Canadian Japan, a cafano, New Jersey, no. Ama, what a shock. Now, before we break, every time of one step. I am wondering the same statement, you know. Honorable Canadian Japan, it's high, Ghana. And only the New Jersey for Auntie. One more I walk, we are seeing Auntie. Lemomia or cow New Jersey, and Crawford tea, and now one friend, and now to be son of one time say, I same way ni ate, na one time at the same. And no, and the first damager or say a seminal acoso or no a national.
Good. 64. Ozzy, plaintiff also states that the words complain of are utterly false, products of the first defendant's imagination and were mischievously calculated by first defendants to disparage the plaintiff and to create disaffection for him and to bring him into odium in the eyes of right-thinking members of the society in West Orange, Newark, and other parts of the state of New Jersey and the global community. Over Memphis 65 and count. Okay. Good. I'll say for this reward for launching the false and hominin attack on the plaintiff, the first defendant was awarded several lucrative government contracts by the NPP-led government of the Republic of Ghana, running into hundreds of millions of United States dollars. Hey.
Yo. And she say, say, Honorable Canadian Japan, Ekasa, Emma NPP, Ewo or no another case in the Munti. Esan said, Honorable Canadian Japan, Eba New York, sorry, New Jersey, Eba year interview. Emma the Kasa, on just one occasion in Tino, NPP are buying Emma on several contracts running into hundreds of millions of dollars. If I saw the same way, my name say the same way, Edifemu, Honorable Canadian Japan, and I say Edifemu na that chance or not be no ever.
Great.
When your contract be because of a car and that's one sem.
This is serious.
New Jersey and now some contract no running into hundreds of millions of dollars and Number 2, FPP no so ene na do abanye atwam enso wo questions a efese won answer maye. Bia NPP government and then another government. Mama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong contract be running into millions because of by New Jersey ever appear on that the Freddy show and
Wow.
na Kwaku say okay that complaint in na say we jury na what is that and same way nyina and then I'll be doing afa defendant Kennedy Agyapong
ubehu no mobo
now no ubehu anas mobo lemo ubehu Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say oh yeah
sabi within
one of the most a year answer say unya pity
yeah asemi farabai ni
asem no now and Crawford be say anas file a case not because of sika
Debbie
if I metie asem wa yeah me ko me Leonard friend ayenene and I friend saying
Samson Ladi ayenene
something
Ladi ayenene ai joy
enye sika asem intina anas file ya nemum na o clear ni din me pa cho yenhwe in law no we pray for relief that means to say ye kai asem nyina wie ye no ade ye first court no eyamaye
God yes sir
up to F
yes
F maybe a lawyer for kasa maybe I dey me ho but yen kai 1 to D na be adeko a yes hwe
sika
na yako E
sika penye
yes the kind and I said that of every Honorable Kennedy Agyapong
or say an award of presumed damages in the amount of $5 million United States dollars.
Yo, I know you're number 1. Number 2, then
an award of special damages in the amount of $10 million United States dollars.
C.
Okay.
And then
an award of actual damages in the amount of $5 million United States dollars.
Now call this one and then
an award of punitive damages in the amount of $10 million United States dollars.
Now can you now bomwa? Yes,
hey, Ozzy, an order restraining the first defendant.
No.
Okay.
You know what?
You know what?
Can you now bomb? That's can you now bomb? That's the amount, no.
Arithmetic is ready. Hey, lawyer. Hey, $30 million.
Kwaku. $30 million.
$30 million dollars.
Yes. Enonti. Yes. Enonti na. Jury no cry. Iya mistake ka.
What?
Now, any lawyer, finally, I say, yes, for being there.
Enka home. 30 million originally, no. Yes, say. US court na ebe ma Kennedy Agyapong e produce from the account they ama abranti sana say bi tie
sa na say tie
Jesus Christ
na ofi wa no wako e no say
an order restraining the first defendant from further making the utterances complained of and ordering the second defendant to permanently delete all defamatory statements it has published about the plaintiff on the World Wide Web. Damn.
Yo. Sa anyway, court no grant for and regard it no at all.
And no court na nhwe hokra.
Court na make order bia say yendelity bibia.
Oh.
Here is training Honorable Kennedy Agyapong for making any comment.
Oh, Aremeyao.
And not see one more a war platform so I can say cry we winning bibi no eniama na ohwehwe ene yeyi ene ato edwa no
wow
now bisa won say out of sa eniama enum yi together with the last one any other relief as the court may deem fit court you know and deem fit so the bibi fufuro bia ebeka ho enti eniama 1 2 3 4 5 year obi say ye Ebonu ya na court. Editumu. Jury. Court. Editumu.
Court anye ba kokra ntum. Hey, lawyer da ko meba wo. Mami mfa wo mra. Let's stay a while longer war. E no a o say yen restraining ora Kennedy Japan na ho keka ho na fi so court so o say court no so nhye Kennedy na onko pepa sebe ensem waka afa no hu na e wo ewiase entintan so ye network no onko pepa ni na freeze no nyini na freeze no eno so America court na nhye Kennedy say onko yes ad no so enka ho
eno your second defendant no that
defraid na eno kwa ya eno so ya maso
eno so amaso
enti che say that defraid wa fa ne ho adi
yes
hey
so no yeah no and that's so
so that internet no so okay na just say 30 million eyesika loadako meka say bia subsem producer wo she adwuma ya see bibisa esi ewo in the jurisprudence of your work say obi air file for damages say ejisika kesi edi say ewo America man mo wo hu bibisa pen
ebi nsi ye
hey
ebi nsi ye but the ocean ne paragraph 65 okay say it's say honorable Kennedy Japan or no announce one on one occasion New Jersey MPP are buying I'm on a contract running over hundreds of
millions of dollars.
That is hundreds of $500 million.
Exactly, unspecified though.
Unspecified.
So in this case, you know, Lawyer Darko, quick one there. Kennedy bet me so issue Aremia of this particular statement which of course when to me and substantiate specific amounts of contracts bear and who sika or Kennedy bet me issue no. Oh, US court war.
Honorable Kennedy. You know, after they were quite big brace, so as a lawyer. You are restraining, they were quite big brace, so as a lawyer. And don't say the overshare on Kasai.
No question. It is true.
I catch you say, you do baby now, you penny, or Danny Penny, dear man.
Nantumante, no question.
The OSHA statement away. Now say there is no proof to the statement that. That's a defamation, and then it's a work at some family home. I go my home feel where no could be any minim and no crack and that's a war say, my honorable Kennedy contract be because of say Obakasa. It's a who be that over to me, you dear. Amrano, you knew on the more, it's in home crime say, in Cononso, ever take this matter.
And then Yebeka say asemi enkoda sa kra o on the very side of Mo, on the very side of Lawyer Darko no team no enkoda kra even though court no dey asem na bewie but Momo side no there still possibilities be wa mo betimi action bibisa if I can hazard a guess.
Yebetie nia yen client ebeka.
I see.
Yebema no ne legal advice. Yedi asem Honorable Emma America. Ye channel so beba America na team no ene na hia na ye no go through ne legal options. Nia obeka no eno na ye so ye de be ye adwuma. But ye meka ni say our competent lawyers are Emma no the competent legal advice. Ye beto so advice no.
Good one. Lawyer Darko. Say greetings Ghana for wahano ato se memfema no e overwhelming. Na almost men can just say why are the papa pay na emo na yankopon so anko so inshira any dwumadi wudi wo America na kyese enye owura Kennedy nkwanso na wo ye adwuma ma no Ghana fo ne bebre wo United States wa ye adwuma e de amom no eso eni papa si ye wa ambassador kra o US o say nche emro so sa US Ghana's ambassador che emro so sa o odwen ho sen Pau papa why are the pa ye na meja mo akọ quick one na wato adwumede ni so na yankopon adma Friday zu de na je say no de udi begum pa ye wo other perspectives a fa case we ho between Anas Arame Anas ne Kennedy Ohene Agyapong nti e beda wase na yasen ene wato aso yame adma Friday be on another angles to the case yeda se pa lo adako
Achideni ho michiamu ene watiefo nyina nso
good one folks yane lawyer da ko na edi enkomo no brilliant and